Welcome back to ICT trading concept. I'm little late. The reason is the weather. Okay, I had the load shedding. I have just uploaded a video to my Twitter. You can check. So I'm not sure that I'll be here whole day. I have no idea. Okay, all I know is there can be a load shedding again. But before going further, let me know that you can hear me. The voice is clear. Everything is perfect. Just let me know that. Okay. Everything is great. Thank you. Thanks for the confirming. Open my chart. I don't know what happened. Mm, Today, top step is going to give a free reset. Okay, so if anyone is watching, I mean, you have any option to open the top step TV, please open that, and when they will give the free reset, please don't forget to let me know that. I'd love to reset that 100k account. Then I would love to uh, recomplete that challenge which I have already completed. So I'd love to do that. If they anyone just notice that they are going to give the free reset, please don't forget to let me know. Okay, and this request. Yeah, I have already opened my another laptop, but I can't focus over there when I will read the price over there. Okay, so please don't forget to let me know that. Hey Peter, Miguel Jr. I took a short at a 17814 closed right now. Cool man, congratulations. There you go, my main man. I'm your main man. Okay, thanks for that, bro. Thank you, man. There is the daily fair value gap over there. Price is at the last fair value gap from the hourly chart. From 1 hour chart, what do I have here? Do I have anything? I don't have anything. Do I have any buy side liquid? No, I don't have any buy side liquid. Do I have any sell side liquid? I don't have any sell side liquid. What should be my bias then? I have no bias. I'm holding nothing right now. The messy price action, I have nothing to do around this area right now. Let me check the 50-minute chart. From 50-minute chart, same thing. I have nothing to do. Nothing to do. Yeah, every buy side has taken. What about the sell side? I can see this is sell side. It has made the sell side liquidity. If it can take that one. And here I have another 50-minute fair value. So I'll mark that one. I have nothing else. To extend it to my right, to this 830. Let me try to find something works or not. Hmm, in that case, I have to wait 50 more minutes to make a fair value gap. Yep. Sorry guys, I have no direction right now. I don't know what is going to happen. Nothing to do at all. No, nothing. Do we have any news today? Today is Wednesday. We don't have any news as well. Okay. Okay. So I have nothing to do. To be honest, nothing at all. Dissection is very messy, in my opinion. I'm not interested to participate in this type of dissection. Why man we need an entry? Sorry, I have no entry right now. 15 for new opening gap. No, I'm not interested to mark that new opening gap. The reason is the new opening gap is very small new opening gap. So that new opening gap is not my interest. Let me check what do I have here. Hmm. Yeah, from dollar index, it's obvious that market should come to this daily fair value gap before expanding higher again. If dollar index would love to go lower, Nasdaq should go higher. Okay, so they can actually. Okay, I will just wait over here. I will see if it can make a fair value gap around that area. If it can make a fair value gap around that area, still I don't have any social liquidity. I don't know what to do. I can force the market to give me an entry. Why I don't have anything to do? Just look the price action over here. I don't have any buy side liquidity. I have no sell side liquidity. Nothing I have, okay? Just nothing. Just look over here. Yesterday I had the buy side liquidity. At least I had the buy side liquidity. Later I had the sell side liquidity. Okay? But today the buy side has taken, the sell side has taken as well. So when the buy side has taken, sell side has taken, I have nothing to do until market show me something else. I have only thing to do is to wait. So I will wait. That's all, brother. That's nothing to do. That's great. Nothing to do. Yeah, well, I have nothing to do, but yeah, obviously, if you find something, don't forget to let me know that. In the meantime, where I can go, I can come here. Okay, I found a guy actually. This is that guy, and Herman. If you remember from some days ago, he was he was a member. I mean, he took the membership. Then he he trolled about the what to say. I mean, uh, random level. Okay, so today we had a conversation at the end. I asked him, brother, please come to my life and let's see if you are right or I'm right. Okay, so I challenged him. So he didn't accept my challenge. Just let me show that thing. Okay, okay, just a second. Here, okay, just look at this one. No, I know you don't know that. All I am asking just to take an entry, just one entry in front of everyone in my life. That's all. I told him just come over here and frame one trade. I will frame one trade and you will frame another trade. Okay. He was just telling me that he's profitable or something like that, whatever. So I told him that please come to my life and let's see if I am right or you are right. So I challenged him, but he didn't accept the challenge. Then what he has done, he actually, I blocked him because of his some messages. I didn't like it. The messages was bullshit. Okay, it was absolutely bullshit. He made another Twitter ID and sent me a video that he took the entry over here. I don't know why it's not loading because of internet maybe. He told that this is the proof. Go and check it. Trade live once. I was taking to you. I was talking to you. Okay, so he took an entry over there. So I told him, just show me the trade execution when I will be able, then I will be able to see how many entry you lose before that one win. So he didn't reply to that one, or he didn't give me the screenshot. Instead of that, he told me that 9:30 open or something, that type of entry. He showed me this. I mean, maybe he gambled around 9:30 and told that, what did he say? You said you are not trading 9:30. That's the best move you can get. Go and blindly follow ICT. Okay, there is the I guess, is it? Yeah, there is the bell to bell. If anyone is interested to take that bell to bell from Top Step TV, please go to Top Step TV and fill the form. It's a free reset. Okay, so they are giving the bell to bell. So please go and do that first. I would love to complete this one first, then I'll come back. Let me Top Step TV. Okay, Top Step TV. Just go to Top Step TV and fill the form. You will get a free reset then. I have done my one. You did. Come back. First bill to bill, absolutely, absolutely. First bill to bill from on top step. Yeah, just go and fill that form first. So, so this guy actually told me that he loved to trade 9:30 opening, and just told me that blindly follow ICT. Now, if you go to this guy's ID, I mean, why I'm showing you this, I will tell you later. Okay. First, if anyone is interested, this is at the rate of R underscore Herman or something like that. If you go to his ID, I'm unable to go because I blocked him maybe. That's why I'll be unable. Let me check. Oh, okay. No, I can't. Yeah, I can't. Okay. I can't because I blocked him. So he pinned a, his pinned tweet is he was grateful to ICT and dev traders or someone like that. Okay, he was grateful to him. Now he's telling me don't follow ICT. Okay, so why I told you like this way, because always be careful about this type of people. These guys are just crap. Okay, they are shit. The reason is they are not, I mean, stay in one place. They come here, they go there. They do this type of things, and this type of people will never be a profitable trader, I can guarantee you. That's why I challenged him, just come to my trade, I mean live today, then frame a trade. I will frame another trade. If I'm wrong, I will apologize. I will ask for forgiveness in front of everyone. If you are wrong, then you have to ask the forgiveness. Then he didn't accept my challenge. He was just talking rubbish, so I blocked him. That's why I actually told. Okay, so always be careful about this type of people. Always, always. They are the negative people. Okay, they will demotivate you. These guys just learn or get something from ICT, and now he's telling that don't follow ICT or don't follow him blindly. Man, I have to follow him blindly because I never get something wrong from ICT. So yeah, I will follow him. Nothing to do. Right now, price came here to that 50-minute fair value gap and the constant encroachment of that hourly fair value gap. I would love to see if it can go higher. Okay, and remember, I'm doing this 3,000 account balance. So far it's 4,050. My target is 9,000. So I will try to complete this account balance. Let's see. Okay, when you tweet about weather, I thought you were not coming. Okay, Tamimi, I'm sorry, brother. I had no time to tweet the link, so I just came. Everything is messy today. Right now, price is inside of this 50-minute fair value gap. Last fair value gap constant encroachment from the daily hourly chart. I will see if it can go higher now. How far it can go? My first target will be this bearish fair value gap. It's not confirmed yet. It will be confirmed when this candle will close. So when this candle will close, this will be confirmed. Until then, it's not confirmed. So I will see if it can reach over there or not. Again, guys, I have really nothing to do right now. But yeah, I'm expecting some kind of bullish run now. So I'll be in 1 minute chat and I will wait for some kind of setup for here if I get. If I can get. Just check today's price action at 9:30 and it was a chop. And rips from top step guide to trade and sweating pure YOLO-C2. Okay, just joined your stream. Some fire today. Let's go. It is precision. Better believe it or piece off. Yeah, uh, I mean, if you want to believe, there's nothing wrong. But you just can't come and tell me that, brother, do that. I mean, don't do that. Okay, you have no right to give me the direction or give me the advice. At least the way I'm doing this. Okay, you have no right. That's my point. That's why I just blocked that guy, and he just opened another Twitter account and then sent me the skin. I mean, video. I don't know what to say. This type of people are really so disgusting. Okay, guys, still there is the bell to bell. So if anyone missed the bell to bell, please go and check in it. Okay, because it's a free reset. Why should you miss that one? The 5 minute travel cup now trading also. Okay, if you are talking about the bullish fair value gap, I can see this is the 50-minute fair value gap. Okay, that's enough for me. Also, the consequent encroachment from the hourly last fair value gap. It's okay, right? I don't need anything else. I mean, so far it's enough for believing that market is going higher. But am I going to take a buy? No, I'm not going to take a buy. Why? The reason is the range here to here, 48 handle. Yeah, it's huge. It's huge handle, but still, I don't know it will reach until that area. So go to your 50-minute chart. What I told you, market has taken the buy side liquidity, market structure shift. It can make this parallel gap, then trade that parallel gap, then it can reach toward the sell side liquidity. It can do that. Okay. Now I will have another sell side liquidity over here. Sell side liquidity. Okay. So something my expectation is something like this. Here, here. So far, okay. This is my expectation. So when price will be there, I will go to my 1 minute chart and I will try to find a sell setup from there. I will just let this run go. I'm not interested to take any buy right now. But yeah, I would love to see some kind of buy move right now. Let's see if it gives it to me or not. This swing high is valid for shifting market structure if this candle closed around this area. Then this swing high will be valid for shifting market structure if this candle turns into a bull candle and close around this area. Let me remove this. If it turns and closed around that area, then this swing high will not be valid for shifting market structure because there will be no. Okay, now this is a swing high and this high is valid for shifting market structure. All I need to see market structure shift. That's all I need until this fair value gap. Okay, now it's not a fair value gap yet. When this 15-minute candle will close, then it will be the fair value gap. So until then, it's not the fair value gap from 15-minute chart. That is also one thing you have to remember. What is bell to bell? Okay, bell to bell free reset where top step TV Tamimi. If you are trading with top step, they are actually giving you. I mean the the bell to bell. Okay, So it's a check-in one. I don't know. Maybe they will have more check-in. I don't know. Okay. They are telling that this is check-in one. So I guess you have to complete some more check-in also. Please don't miss this check-in. I don't know. But yeah. Sir, could you please check 1 minute? You can see small fab lookup at 8:10. 8:10. Where is here is 8:10. Why it is important? I mean at 8:10 here. Why it is important? Has broken this one. I will better stay in 50-minute chat. I will see how it react. Taken this social liquidity. Not broken yet, but I will see. Just look at this price action. I have nothing to do over here. Absolutely nothing to do. It's just a run. This was the opening gap. The opening gap has fully closed. I don't need to mark that opening gap as well. Yep. I have nothing to do. Okay, I will just see how price react on that area. There was an opportunity if market could go to that 50-minute parabolic gap, then give me a sell setup, then maybe I would be able to take a sell because there was a sell side liquidity. Right now I have nothing. I have to wait. Hey brother, I boomed 25 handle and am done for the day. Congratulations, look. Congratulations, brother. 1 minute left to close this candle. If this candle closed here, then I will have one parabolic gap here, and then I will see if it can reach to that parabolic gap or not. After 1 minute, this candle will close. Okay, so I will be here and I will see if I get anything over there or not. This swing high is valid for shifting market structure. Absolutely, it's valid for shifting market structure. All I need the displacement. 70810. I mean parabolic gap. I mean okay, 70180. 70180 from 1 minute chart. 70810. Sorry, 810. Okay, here we are talking about this parabolic gap. The last parabolic gap from 1 minute chart. Let me mark it as well. Okay. Yeah, it's important. I'm gonna mark it. Thank you, brother. So there is a 50-minute parabolic gap over here. I will see if it can reach to that 50-minute parabolic gap now or not. Is this swing high valid for shifting market structure? If this candle close below here, then this swing high will be valid for shifting market structure. But for that, it has to close below. So there will be a swing high. High 0200 low is not a sell side liquidity area. Gangaputra, actually the thing is I don't look for the session liquidity. I always look for the relatively equal lows and relatively equal highs. That's my liquidity. Okay, I don't look for the session liquidity. So London session, New York session, AM session, I don't look for them. This swing high is now valid for shifting market structure. There is a swing. Look at this swing. See this swing is valid. All I need a displacement now. Without displacement, no entry is valid. Even if I get a displacement, so the range will be here to here. And I don't have any buy side liquidity. Remember that. Okay, it's highly risky without the uh, without liquidity. If you take any entry depending on that fair value gap, it's highly risky. Always remember that. Why I'm not looking for sell? Because here I have nothing to look for sell. If I would love to take a sell, I have to wait until price reach here, that fair value gap. Then I will be able to look for a sell. Until then, I'm not able to look for a sell. Okay, simple thing. Brother, you told us that you are not going to frame your trade from 1 minute fair value gap. Then why you are just framing your trade from there? I'm just trying to frame my trade from this 15-minute fair value gap, but it's broken, right? The fake breakout. So far, it's the fake breakout. One candle close below this fair value gap. The very next candle is trying to go up. So it's highly risky, as I told you, because I don't have any buy sell liquidity. Without buy sell liquidity, if you take any entry, that's called gambling. It can make the entry fair value gap. So it will be the breakaway gap. Why not this one? There is another fair value gap. Why you are not talking about this one? Because this one is above the sell side liquidity level. See, this is your buy side liquidity. All of this relatively equal highs. This is your buy side liquidity. So this fair value gap is your buy side liquidity. If market would love to go lower, it doesn't need to go until that last fair value gap. Can it go over there? Absolutely it can. There's nothing wrong. Absolutely it can reach over there. Did it really go over there? 99% of the time it doesn't go over there. It can reach until this fair value gap. Okay. Brother, I believe if it goes to that 1 minute fair value gap, it should also take out the swing low, in my opinion. I believe so. I believe so that if it really it can go little outside of this 1 minute last fair value gap, then it's coming here. It's going to take all the liquidity. This low should be taken then. It can do that. The Miguel fair value gap. Okay, because I love that MSS. So what did you say, Miguel? Tito, you are not here, but I do enter on the 9:42 a.m. 9:42 a.m. Okay, over there. There was a market structure sheet. First fair value gap. This entry is valid. If you took the sell, absolutely it's valid. The reason is if you go to your 15-minute chart, from your 15-minute chart, where this candle, where did it came? From 15-minute chart. This is your last fair value gap. This is the entry fair value gap. So if you just mark the last fair value gap over here from 15-minute chart, okay, I'm just gonna mark the low of the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart over here. Where did it came? To that last fair value gap. So you have a higher time frame fair value gap. Now you will be in 1 minute chart. You can't take entry until 9:30. No entry is valid until 9:30. So around 9:30 market went lower. It tried to go higher one more time, then broke this low. Now this low, is it valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely it is valid for shifting market structure. Why? The reason is this low has traded that fair value gap. shifted the market. Is it displacement? Absolutely, it's a displacement. Absolutely. Traded the last parallel gap, though it's very small. First parallel gap or the entry parallel gap, immediate reaction. So that should be your entry over there. Here, that should be your entry or stop loss. You should put it, I mean, above that high. That is more safe. But if you are overzealous, you can put it above the breakaway gap, above the breakaway gap. Okay, so it's up to you. I'm not gonna do that. And where should be your target? Look at this low, all of these lows. Okay, you don't need to mark that low. Actually, you can mark this low and that low. They are relatively equal low. So your target should be here. Here, that should be a trade from the morning session. Okay, I wasn't here. Okay, when I was here, market was already over there. I had no opportunity to take buy or sell right now except watching the price. Nothing to do. But yeah, if anyone took that entry, it's a valid entry. If I get a market structure shift now, is it valid? No, it's not valid. Why? Market has already made the liquidity around that area. Just look, look this consolidation. Okay, market has made the made the liquidity around that area. So I'm not interested to take buy. First, it has to take all the liquidity. Then it has to give me the market structure shift. Then I'll be interested to take the buy. Otherwise, I'm not interested. Thanks a lot. No problem, Miguel. Okay, I nail it. Thanks to you, bro. Yeah, man, you should. Hey, Robin, how are you, brother? Mr. Look, yes, sir, but okay, except 50k hard. Also, I have a 200-day win need. 50k, I'm also not agree. 50k is really hard. Okay, it has taken the sell side liquidity. I'm gonna remove it. This is the last parabola from 1 minute chart. From 15-minute chart, I have another last parabola around that area. So I'm gonna mark it. I don't want to see market will reach until that area. Okay, I don't want to see it will reach until that constant encroachment. If it reach over here, body should close at the level of the constant encroachment or above the constant encroachment. Okay, that's the best option if market really would love to go higher. If it doesn't love to go higher and if it keeps falling, I'm not interested to do anything until this last parallel cap is broken. When it is broken, then I will try to frame another sell setup when it is broken. Until this last parallel cap is not broken, I'm not interested to do anything. So I'll just mark a line over there and I will remove that fib. This is that constant encroachment. I'm going to remove this limit parallel cap because it's broken already. Why you are not looking for sell? I'm not interested to look for sell, brother. I don't know what will you say, but I am not interested to look for sell. Market has fallen so far already. How do you know when the next bell to bell comes? In my another laptop, the top step TV is opened already. Okay, so I just keep an eye on over there. If they just post the link, if I don't miss it, I will tell you. If I missed it, I have nothing to do. Okay, I missed that morning move. No problem, brother. We all miss the move. I also miss the move. Doesn't matter. Why you are not taking entry? Just take push your button. Now, I would love to show you something. Here, this was the entry from yesterday. I told that it should work, right? From the breaker block. I missed the real entry over here. Here. The main entry was over there. I missed that one because I wasn't here. Then I took the breaker block entry. Very next day, the previous day, I outlined another entry over here. I didn't took that entry as well. Here, exactly that area. I didn't take it. The reason was I was trying to take that on, but my cat was fighting, so I went there. What I'm telling you here now today, brother, I have nothing to do. Why I'm telling you that? Because I have nothing to do. Because I have nothing to do. I got the market structure shift. Again, brother, this is highly risky because I am trying to go for the entry where I don't have any liquidity. I am just going for an entry where I have no liquidity. Try to understand the fact, brother. Okay, it can make this entry fair value gap. It can trade over there, then it can fall. It's a highly risky entry over here. This is below. So yeah, this is the entry fair value gap here. This is the entry fair value gap, and this is the breakaway gap. I will see first how many handle will be the stop loss. If it is bearable, then I will try to take that on. If it is not, then I'm not interested. How many handle it will? 24 handle. Extremely risky. I'm not interested. But yeah, I will try to see if it worked or not. I'm not interested at all. I want to see price will come to this fair value gap, at least this fair value gap within 3 candles. Where will be my target? This fair value gap will be my target. I'm not gonna push my button. The reason is highly, I mean, huge stop loss. This is the huge stop loss, 24 handle. I'm not gonna take this one. I will just see because it's look like a very nice setup, a very nice setup. Peter, you asked me from where we will start to count the candle. Look, this candle is the first candle. Okay, I should start to count from this candle here because this is the last candle which has made the fair value gap. This is the first candle, so the first candle trade the entry fair value gap. That's fine. I'm already in the market. I would be in the market already. Now I will see if it reach over there. I believe that it will reach over there, at least over there, 51 handle. So in that type of situation, that will be my first partial because it's 51 handle. So that should be the first partial. You have to take that first partial. Okay, you have to take 29 handle. Not bad. Trust me, it's not bad. 29 handle. If it can reach. Why you are not going to take that entry if you are so sure? The reason is in trading nothing is 100% certain. That is why we have the stop loss. Now you can see the stop loss is near about 24 handle. I'm unable to bear that huge loss. If I'm wrong, then I have to take 24 handle loss. I'm not interested to take that huge loss. That is why I'm not pushing my button. I'm just trying to fill the market. Later I will get more opportunity to take entry. I will try to get something from there, but here I'm not interested at all. Okay, got a breakaway gap. Yep, this is the breakaway gap over here. The very next candle should give me the expansion. The very next candle, okay, it should give me the expansion, a big run, huge run. Very next candle. Either way. This candle should expand higher or lower, but it should give me some big move. Let's see if it can give it to me or not. If it expand higher, then it should close above that high. Should close above that high. That is kind of confirmation that market is going higher. If it can close above that line, body has to close above that line. It has to give me the little volatility. It should give me that. Either way, I told. So it's a volatile candle, but no, not in one way. Theo, why? What is why? What is the question, brother? How many likes did I get? You didn't take any entry, so you don't deserve any likes. more than 230 people are watching now, and I have just got 48 likes because I didn't take any entry. Okay, I have no opportunity to take entry. Sometimes if you don't do anything, that's the best thing you are doing in trading. Always remember that. If you are not doing anything, that means you are doing something best in trading. It creates a 15-minute travel gap. Okay, it has already created that. Okay, so I'm gonna mark this 15-minute travel gap again. Okay, so this is the entry travel gap. Now when market will be here, first I will look for a sell setup. Remember, I will start to look for a sell setup. If really market would love to go lower, it can give me the setup from here or from here. Any of this travel gap can give me the sell setup. Though I outlined that one, but as I told you, I will look for a sell setup. Okay, so this is kind of situation. This one I didn't take entry. I believe that market will go higher. It can reach until this parallel gap or that parallel gap. I'm not sure about that. Most probably it will go through both of them, and most probably, okay, it, because it should reach to that daily parallel gap today. It should reach toward that daily parallel gap. That's my expectation from today. So as I told you from the beginning, I have nothing to do until price show me something. First, it has to show me something. Brother, I would love to go over there. I would love to go over there. When a candle will close above that high, then this will be the order block. When a candle will close above that high, then this will be the order block. Until then, it's not the order block. So if that first fair gap doesn't give entry, can we look for breakaway gap 50% for entry? If you are talking about here, the 15-minute travel gap and this travel gap, if it doesn't give me any entry from there, from 1 minute chart, I will wait until price reach over here. Then I will wait for the same thing from 1 minute chart, sell setup. If it fail to give me that, then I have nothing to do. Absolutely nothing to do. I have to wait for a bullish parallel gap. Then price will come to that bullish parallel gap. Then I will start to look for a buy setup. Otherwise, I have nothing to do. Okay. And guys, I know it's boring, but this is real trading. Okay. I just choose this small amount because when I trade my real account, it's my stop loss. I mean, daily loss limit is $6,000, and some of you actually, it's difficult, right? It's difficult. What is the English word? I don't know. If I take $2,000 loss, I don't feel anything. But some of you, if you take a $2,000 loss, you have already maybe lost account, a well, or something like that. That's why I started this account, and I told that my target is $9,000. So over here, 4050. So from yesterday, it's $1,050 profit. So far, I just took one entry so far. So I will wait for the best option, then I will go for the setup. Otherwise, I am going to do nothing. This is trading, and this is very, very, very boring. You have to be bored. Cannot agree more. Okay, Floyd Robinson. Um, I don't know. Hey Peter, thanks for that penguin, brother. Absolutely, really, thanks for that penguin. Okay, when price came to this breakaway gap, all I don't want to see is market will break the constant encroachment of this breakaway gap. That means body should not close below the constant encroachment of the breakaway gap. It should not close below that. That's my expectation. You will consider short in any of the 15-minute bearish parabolic gap or specific on any of this parabolic gap, either from here or from here, any of this. If market give me the short setup from here, it's cool. If it fail and reach over there and then give me the short setup, that's the best option. Okay. You can say price came here to that 1 minute last parabolic gap, then gave me the setup. I really don't like to take this type of entries. The reason is the setup actually created from 1 minute last favorable gap. I don't like to take entries. Now this is not the order block here. This candle so far, this is the lowest down close body close candle. If another candle can close above that high, then this will be the order block. Why not this one? Why this one? Just watch my YouTube video. I have already made a video about the order block. You will understand when I actually mark the order block and how I mark the order block. When I go for the consecutive order block, that means three candle, right? This is the consecutive order block. When I look for that consecutive order block, and when I actually look for the one candle as my order block, if this candle can close below that candle, then this is going to be my order block, not that one. Why you are changing the order block? You are keep changing the order block because market never closed above the order block level. Until it didn't close, I'm not gonna. Okay, here this is now the order block because this is the lowest down close body close candle. But why you are not taking sell? Market is falling. I'm not interested to take sell. I'm only interested to take sell from either this favorable gap or that favorable gap. Otherwise, I'm not interested to take sell. I'm interested only to take buy. Over 250 plus watching. Give some likes, people. Give some likes, people. Again, I'm sorry for that. It's really boring. It's not like yesterday I just came and took an entry, and today I'm just talking. Okay, so that was a great decision. I didn't push my button. First, I would love to tell you 1 minute last favorable gap, hold the price. That's why I told never believe 1 minute last favorable gap, and don't frame your trade from the 1 minute last favorable gap. Don't frame it because sometimes it happens. This type of shit happens. Okay, if I would take that entry, though I was very confident that was going higher, I would be stopped out here, right? Absolutely, I would be stopped out here. So if I get stopped out, it would be 24 handle. It's huge. Maybe you are feeling, brother, I'm gonna miss a best opportunity to take entry. No man, you are not going to miss anything. Nothing. If one setup is gone, trust me, another 1,000 setup will come. Until this low is not broken, this favorable gap is valid. See this entry favorable gap, it's valid for taking entry. I'm talking about this favorable gap. Here, this is going to be the order block. Why this favorable gap is valid for taking entry? Because this is the origin. Now I'm not interested to push my button. The reason is market made the setup from 1 minute last favorable gap. I don't believe in 1 minute last favorable gap for taking my entries. So I'm not gonna take my entry over there. But if there was any 15-minute favorable gap or anything else, I would love to take another entry from there. You can say, brother, it is inside this hourly favorable gap. So why you need more? I mean, more favorable gap. The reason is the whole price action is inside the hourly favorable gap. So it is inside this hourly favorable gap. I need another hourly favorable gap or 50-minute favorable gap inside that favorable gap. By the way, this is the order block now. Okay, the order block. If price can close above this favorable gap, this favorable gap is valid to take re-entry. So, for example, I was taking that entry. In that type of situation, I would re-entry over there if it could close above that favorable gap. Again, guys, when I'm just doing paper trade, right? Look, this is the paper trading. If I lose, I'm losing nothing. Still, I didn't push my button. So if when I outlined that setup by this thing and you pushed your button, that means you are not listening to me. Why I'm not taking that entry? You are not listening to me. You have to listen to me, brother. Okay, everything is important over here. When you should act and when you should just feel the price or observe the price. That is the main part of this game. The most important part of this game. Okay. Testing emotional control at peak level from few days. Absolutely. Hey Peter, thank you man for the penguin man. To be honest, thank you. How many likes did I get? 83 likes. Guys, can you make it 100 at least? Okay, by the way, when it has traded the opening of that order block, I'm gonna mark the opening, okay, because it has already traded the opening of that order block. So here I'm gonna keep it here. So it has traded the order block. Now it should go higher, and when it is going higher, it is going to make an unfilled area. This unfilled area will used as a breaker block for later. Remember how I marked the breaker block? Yesterday I took an entry from that breaker block. If it can make an unfilled area right now, that is going to be the breaker block. I mean that will use as for making the breaker block. Okay, at the same time, I got a huge subscription. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. 5357 people. I'm very near to 5500. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, man. Thank you. See to the trading beast. Thank you. Thank you. AFX, thank you, man. When market will close above that high, then this is going to be your propulsion block. Propulsion block, but not now. After closing above that high, then it will be your propulsion block. Are you going to take your entry? I'm not interested. This is highly risky. Look at this price action. Why you should lose money in this type of uncertain place? Go to your 15-minute chart. Look over here. What can you see? Market is just falling, 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 right? Now it is reversing from a random level. No, brother, this is the last price lookup from 1 minute chart. 1 minute last price lookup is used for reaction, not for reversal. For reversal, you need a higher time frame price lookup. For example, there was a 15-minute price lookup over here. If this setup happened from that 15-minute price lookup, I would take that entry. Then it stopped me out. I would tell that, man, that was a perfect setup. I just stopped out. Okay, it just doesn't work. I won't feel anything. But here I don't have any high time frame parallel gap, so I'm not interested. I can take entry if only if market come here, then send give me another setup, then I'll be interested to take sell. Otherwise I'm not interested. Look how the market is struggling to go higher or lower. It's just struggling. Don't be chopped up in this type of area. Don't always wait for taking entries. You will get a lot of opportunity to take entry. Just don't get chopped up. That's all. Can we take a sell here? Is it possible to take a sell? No. Why? The reason is just look from where market is just going lower. Just a randomly. If it could reach over there, then if you find a sell setup, you could take that sell. But right now, from where market is just chopping around here, so you don't know how far it will go. You don't know how far it can expand higher. So please don't take buy or don't take sell. If I see something very good, I will tell you why it is very good, and then I will push my button. Then if it doesn't work, I will tell that okay, perfect setup didn't work. But here, please don't do it. Okay? By the way, guys, do you know what is why they are telling that this is the first check-in for the bell to bell? Anybody knows that? I mean, do I need to fill another form to get that free reset? My price came to that order block. It is testing the order block now. Why this is order block? Because this is the first, the lowest down close body close candle, and this is the first time when market closed above that candle. Just look from here, okay? When from here, so this was the first down close candle. Body never closed above that high. Market went lower, lower. This is the second one. Market didn't close above that high. Then this one failed. This is the last one where market actually closed above that high. So it is the order block. This opening is not the order block. The high is not the order block. The order block is from high to the open. High to the open. Then market came to that order block. Test the min threshold of that order block. Trade order block again. 1, 2, 3 times. Now, if I really would love to take an entry, I could take an entry over here to that order block. Where should be my stop loss? Yeah, I do that. Not always, but most sometimes I do that. Here will be my stop loss. Where will be my target? This uh, maybe until this fair value gap will be my target. Yeah, I do this type of entry. Why? Because just look at over here, 10 handle, just a 10 handle stop loss. So I am able to take this type of stop loss, but still this is gambling because you are going without the higher time frame. You can be stopped out. I don't want to be stopped out. Sometimes I try to put it below there. If I see it's 14 to 15 handle, then I put it below that. But here I am not interested because of the volatility. You can see a huge volatility, and I don't want to show you something bad. Okay, I would love to tell you that wait for the best one, best setup. So to take long entry, you must be inside a bullish 50-minute travel cup always. Taking sell side liquidity is not enough. Absolutely, brother. Absolutely. That's the perfect reply or perfect comment, brother. You need that. There's no other way. I mean, it has to be 50 minutes. It doesn't matter. It can be hourly fair value cap as well. But there has to be some fair value cap, either from 50 minutes or from hourly chart. Look, still it is inside this entry fair value cap. Remember, this is the origin of the setup. This is that entry fair value cap. If market can close above that high, then this fair value cap is valid for taking re-entry if that was a setup from 50-minute fair value cap. Then this was valid. I mean, if it was a perfect setup, I took entry over there, maybe I got a stopped out here. I would take re-entry when market will close above that high. I will take re-entry and I will just go the way I was going. But here I am not interested. I will just observe the price. Brother, you are going to miss the miss the trade. It's a huge trade. You are going to miss it. I don't care, brother. You should not be care. Just one entry. You just missed one entry. Maybe we are not going to get any other opportunity to trade today. Why you are getting pressure, man? Just don't get pressure. Tomorrow we will get better opportunity. Like yesterday, the day before yesterday. How beautiful that was. How perfect the entry was from yesterday and the day before yesterday. Remember them and always go for that type of setup. Okay. Did you took that sell? No, brother, I wasn't here. I wasn't here. I just came later. Okay. So I was unable to take that one. Here I am expecting some kind of unfilled area. Okay. So if it can make an unfilled area, then I will use that unfilled area for later use for my breaker block. Well, I can see I actually had that unfilled area here. Sorry. Here and here. This small fair value gap should be unfilled. See, this small fair value gap that should be unfilled. Here some if it can make a fair value gap here, that is going to be, it should be the institutional order flow entry drill. If it can make a fair value gap around that area, that should be the institutional order flow entry drill. I didn't study this institutional order flow entry drill, but yeah, the institutional order flow entry drill actually happened in this area. Okay, that means market will just tap over there, boom. It can't just go until the consequent enforcement, or maybe it's not going to close this one. It will just tap over there, boom, something like that. That is called institutional order flow entry. Okay. Danny Romeo, yesterday was beautiful, also Monday. Absolutely, brother. So I will just love those days or those type of setups to take entry. I don't like this type of price action. I can believe or I can expect market is coming here. Expectation is something, trading is something. You will expect something, then if you see everything is perfect, you will go for the trade. Look, it has closed this fair value gap perfectly. It's not even the institutional order plain drill, not even a important fair value gap. Okay, now I will see if it can keep some portion of this fair value gap open or not. I will see that. At the same time, don't forget this is the macro time. We are inside the macro. Right now, I have this buy side liquidity. Market has made this buy side liquidity. All I want to see, a little portion will be open to that fair value gap. If it is open, then I will use this fair value gap for my breaker block later. Okay, for my breaker block. I'd love to see that, but it has to left some area open. So far, you can see this flow actually came until here. Okay, now it's closed perfectly. So I don't have this on. I'm not able to frame my trade from there. Now it is falling, right? Falling. Can I look for a sell setup? Let me check from 15-minute chart. No, I can't. Why? If it could reach to that entry fair value gap at least, just for example, it reached to that entry fair value gap, then I would say this is the market structure shift. Market has taken the buy side liquidity. Still, it has taken little bit, but yeah, I'm not interested because it didn't reach over there. I love the precision. This is the last fair value gap. This is the entry fair value gap. I would take the entry fair value gap entry, and maybe I would go for the low, something like that. As it didn't, I'm not interested to do anything. I will just watch the price. Closed the 50% of that week, so market maybe is going lower. Mhm. Did anyone took that entry, that buy entry? Just show me your face if anyone took that buy entry. Again, brother, I'm trading my paper money. Still, I didn't push my bottom. Okay, you have to understand the fact over there. Maybe you can see a run. Maybe you took the water block entry over there. So from here, yeah, it's 30 handle, huge. I know it's huge, but still, this is just gambling, just pure gambling. You should not gamble. Has taken all the liquidity. Let's see if it can reverse now. I don't need any kind of fair value gap from 15-minute chart or hourly chart right now. Oh, I'm sorry. I was messed up. Sorry. For bull, I need a bullish fair value gap now. I'm not interested to take sell from those fair value gap now. Those fair value gap, I'm not interested to take sell from there. Look over here. What it has done. It has taken all the liquidity here. All the liquidity has taken already. I believe that market should go higher now. It should expand higher now. So every bearish fair value gap is going to be violated. All I need a bullish 50-minute fair value gap. Give me nope, just hit SSL. School setup is invalid now. Absolutely, there is no breaker setup. Nothing. This price action teaches us to wait and to read price. Absolutely, Selo Mahlaba. Thank you, brother. That's the main part of trading. When you should act, when you should just watch the price. Just look. You can say, brother, that is a huge run. I could take that entry. Just tell me, how can you take that entry? How can you take that entry, man? I don't know how can you take that entry. But yeah, in my opinion, this is not a perfect sell entry. The buy entry is not valid. Yeah, it was like near about 33 handle, 31 handle, but I am telling you, don't go for that type of entry because today is volatile, so you are going to get 31 handle, but you are making a bad habit inside of you, which is telling you that you can trade the buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. You can do that. Please don't do that. What do I have now? Wow. That was a awesome reaction. Perfect. Brother, take buy, take buy, take buy, take buy, take buy. This is the time to take the buy. I'm sorry. I will be here in 15-minute chart. I will wait for a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Then market will come back to that bullish fair value gap. After that, I will look for a buy setup. Otherwise, I have nothing to do. Give me sorry for that. Just look, market has taken all the liquidity here. Okay, every liquidity from Monday, from Tuesday, every sell side liquidity has taken. Oh, by the way, what I was thinking actually, in Monday we have this expansion, right? We had this expansion in Monday. I'm just thinking, okay, I'm not sure that it is happening or not. Then in Tuesday we saw the accumulation. Just look at this price action in Tuesday. Perfect accumulation, right? A perfect accumulation. Now in Wednesday, what we are seeing, the manipulation. Went lower, take the sell side liquidity. Went higher, take the buy side liquidity. Again went lower, take the sell side liquidity. Maybe it is going higher now, take the buy side liquidity. What we are seeing now, manipulation. So in Tuesday we actually got the accumulation. Wednesday we are getting the uh, manipulation. Thursday and Friday will be the expansion, I believe. Okay, Thursday and expansion. That means tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, we are going to get the accumulation, I believe. Sorry, expansion. Whether this is your market structure shift, trust me, man. Let me tell you. In my life, I have seen this lot of time. It worked. Lot of time. This is the market structure shift. Market will make a fair value gap here. Price will tap to that fair value gap. It will expand higher. In my life, I have seen this setup work lot of time. You have no idea how many times. Whenever I try to take this type of entry, I got the loss. Trust me, I got the loss. Like today, I'm not gonna take this entry. I'm just gonna outline this one. So this is the fair value gap. I will just put an entry setup here. My stop loss will just cover the constant encroachment over there. I don't need to put it over there. I will just cover this last fair value. Okay, I will just cover this one, and my target is over here. 62 handle. Okay, you will see. In my life, lot of time I saw this setup work perfectly. But whenever I try to take this type of entries, I got the loss. First, it has to make the fair value gap, so I will just rearrange the fair value gap here. I'm already in the market. Okay, here I'm already in the market. I'll put it here. Look, maybe you can take an partial the constant encroachment of that area because it's huge. So here you can take a partial over there. Okay, in my life, again, I have seen how many times, I can't just tell you how many times it worked. But whenever I try to take this type of entry, I got stopped out. Until the first partial, it's 31 handle. We will see today if it works or not. But it is not it against waiting for 5 or 50-minute fair value gap to enter. Absolutely, I will do that. All I told you that in my life I have seen this work lot of time. That's why I'm just outlining it. As I told, even every single time I try to take this type of entry, I got stopped out. When I just outlined it, it worked perfectly. So what will you say? I don't know. We'll see again here. What should we do over here? You have to go to your 15-minute chart. Wait for the 15-minute fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. Again bullish fair value gap. Price will come to that bullish fair value gap. You will start to look for your buy setup. Then boom. So you want to say we should skip such setup as they are not good to trade. Gangaputra, I don't know what to say. I mean, guys, try to feel my situation. Just try to feel my situation. What did I say? In my life, I have seen this setup worked I mean, maybe 99% of the time out of 100. Whenever I pushed my button, I got stripped out. Whenever I don't do anything, it perfectly worked. Just look over here. I believe that if I would push my button, I would be stripped out. Just look how beautifully it came until this first partial area. Okay, just look. Now, what I should say, I don't know. What I should say, I have no idea. From before even it start, right? Before even trading this fair value gap, I told that it worked. I saw a lot of time it works, but whenever I pushed my button, I got stripped out. I just put this one. Just look. If I was just trading this one, I am already profitable, right? By 31 handle. I'm already profitable. See, this is my target, right? I believe that it will hit my target. If I would push my button, I would be slipped out, man. SMT doesn't matter over here. Okay, SMT, there is no matter with SMT. Let me check if there is SMT or not. At the same time, there is no SMT. Just no SMT. Nothing. Simple. No SMT at all. Just wait, okay? Until it hit my target profit, just wait. Now you can say, brother, you are just making me confused. I am confused. I am confused. I told you, I'm just repeating my word again. In my life, how many times I saw this type of setup? I tried to trade them, I got stripped out. When I didn't try to trade them, just put this type of things or did the paper trade, it worked perfectly. Perfectly. Like over here, just look how perfectly it worked. How perfect is it, man? How perfect? Just tell me how perfect it is. At least until that first partial, there is 63 handle. I don't need that 63 handle, but still, how perfect it is, man. Guys, 268 people are watching and I got 113 likes. I deserve some more likes, guys. Please. Okay, please. 10 50 11 10 macro time. 10 15 10 50 11 10 macro time. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. It's the macro time. mm, to take out the high, I believe so, but it is macro time. Yeah, it worked in macro, it worked outside in macro. Man, I know it's in macro time. I'm what I'm telling you, brother. If I could see that when it is inside the macro it works, when it is not inside the macro it doesn't work. I could tell you, right? Absolutely, I could tell you that, but it doesn't matter. It has no relation with the macro, no relation at all. I mean, this thing, okay, whatever happened over here, this thing, there is no relationship with the macro. There is only relationship is that if I push my button, I get stepped out. If I don't push my button, it just give me the perfect run. That's the only relationship, okay? That's the only relationship, brother. Trust me, I don't lie to you, okay? Hmm. Okay, I pushed and took two. Sanju. Okay, brother. Then you were lucky. Boom. Thank you, brother. It happens because of reversal macro time, bro. Okay, strings. I guess I gave you the answer. First target, consequent encroachment, and second at last travel gap. Sanju. Okay, congratulations. That was nice. I think we. I think we'll go back to open price. Can go trains. Can you explain again the trade? Man, what did I say? I mean, just don't forget, okay? I'm not telling that to take this type of entry, but here, just coming to 15 minutes. Again, I'm just telling you, okay? Look, all of this liquidity from Monday, Tuesday, and from this leg, okay? Everything has been taken over here, right? Every single thing. Wait, let me come here first. I'll just come here. I don't know what time was it, but I will just come here. Here, just look over here. It has taken the low market structure shift, just little mark. I just need a market structure. Fair value gap, boom. See this thing and this thing. Both of them are same. Both of them are same. Okay, just remember this low and that low. If you go to your 15-minute chart here, at the first time it went lower, it has taken all the liquidity. Is there any liquidity left? No liquidity left, right? Every liquidity has been taken out. Boom, market went higher. Market come back again, taken all the liquidity. Just go to your 1-minute chart, find high, just a high. Okay, it's not a swing high, nothing, it's just a high. This high shifted, fair value gap, trade fair value gap, boom. Brother, it didn't hit your target profit. I don't need that. Okay, I told you that I don't need that. Still I believe that it will hit my target, but still I don't need that. Just look from here to the last fair value gap, 4700. Is it enough for being profitable? It's your job. But here, just I see a market structure shift, fair value gap, price trade that fair value gap, boom. Whenever I push my button, I take a loss. If I don't push my button, it works perfectly. That's all, brother. A short story of my failure. Boom for the partial. Thank you, Jack. Compare with SPX 500, there is SMT. There is no SMT. There is no SMT, brother. I mean, so far here, there is no SMT. I guess you guys are talking about 15-minute chart. Here, this one. If you use the SMT from 15-minute chart, you have to take your entry from 15-minute chart. Now, if you come to 1-minute chart, you just can't come here to look for the SMT. You just can't do that. Just look all of this price action. See all of this price action. SMT is so serious, okay, so dangerous. So don't be, what to say. I mean, I don't know what to say. What is my expectation right now? Market is going higher. All I need a fair value. That's all. Okay. So this SMT, I know you are looking for this SMT, but this SMT is not perfect or valid, in my opinion. Abba, hello? 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 আব্বা বল।
কোথায় আছে ভাই?
আমি তো বাসায়।
বেরোবা?
বেরোবো, আমি কাজ করি আব্বা।
কাজ করছিস?
হ।
আচ্ছা
আমি কাজ শেষে ফোন দেবো তোরে।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
ওকে। By the way, you guys were talking about the SMT, right? You guys were talking about the SMT. Now, what happened over there? Around there, okay, I saw another setup. Just look, this low has taken all of these lows. This low also has taken all of these lows. So there was any SMT? There was no SMT. This time you got the SMT, but that time you had no SMT, right? Over here, this setup, no SMT. Look, that is why I told that there is no relationship with the SMT, brother. Okay, okay. Okay, Ketan, to be honest, man, it's true, man. I never tell this before, right? And did I ever tell you that when I see it works and when I push my button, it doesn't work? But only this type of situation, okay? I'm happy to share this with you guys. Only this setup. Whenever I pushed my button in my life, how many times I pushed my button, it is stopping me out. Whenever I trade it through my paper money or by this one, this tool, it was perfectly okay. It was absolutely okay. Okay, for example, over here, I took a partial over there. I will move my stop loss below this low. I'll be stopped out over there. I'm already profitable, right? I'm already profitable. But when I push my real money, I get a stop out. Oh man, that is absolutely bullshit. Why mark 15-minute third fair value gap, bro? Where did I mark the 15-minute third fair value gap? I don't know. Let me check. Which one I have marked? I have only this one and that one. These two. JD Capital, what's your question, brother? Can you please explain a little more? Don't look, but there is a 5-minute inversion fair value gap. If you look for a inversion fair value gap over here, there will be no inversion fair value gap because this low has taken that low. If this low would fail to take that low, then it would be the inversion fair value gap. I'm bullish. I'm not bearish. I'm bullish, okay? But let me go over there from 5 minutes. You are talking about this one as the inversion fair value gap. It's not valid because this low has taken that low. The extreme low has taken by that low. It's not the inversion fair value gap, in my opinion. That's only my opinion. They changed the algo when you pushed the button. So true. So in that setup, why we didn't get a retrace on third candle? Sometimes I saw you don't wait and take trade, trying to understand. What did you ask? In the setup, why we didn't get a retrace on third candle? In that setup, you were talking about this setup? I mean, this is not even a setup, okay? I just told you my experience. This is not even a setup. And why you, what is the meaning of third? I don't know. I didn't understand, Sizo. I mean, every trader went through that phase. Absolutely, it's true. It's true. I went through that, but this one still it stopped me out. Still, it do that, and I hate him. Really, I hate this setup. So I stopped to take entry depending on that setup. Big brother is watching you. That's why. PSA for trading. That was awesome, man. When the aggression is there, I know price moves first and won't give any retest. Okay. Yes, for that was an awesome comment, man. Big brothers are watching me. Oh man. Peter, trading the tiny order block. Here, this one. We're talking about this and there is no setup. First of all, there is no setup. There is no market structure shift, no parallel gap, nothing. I have nothing yet over here, okay? So don't be confused about, let me remove it from my chart, otherwise you will be confused. There is nothing at all. No setup. I just told you that here, if you see this type of, just this, look at this candle. It's not even a swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. It's not valid. You got this parallel gap, trade that parallel gap, boom. I really don't know why it actually stopped me out when I did the entry. That's my question. That's my question to the market maker. Why you stopped me out? By now. Hey Martin, you are here again, brother. I'm dead sleepy, but top step keeps me up for that reset. Hate it. Top step, yeah. Anyone knows that why they are telling that this is the fair? I mean, check-in one. How many times we have to complete that? How many check-in is going to go come? Peter Henry got it. Thank you, brother. Did I get any subscriber? 5365. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel again. Even I didn't push my button, I got a lot of subscriber today. So from 5347 to 5365, it's near about I guess 18, right? 18, yeah, I got 18 subscribers, 18 new people to my channel. Congratulations to all for joining my channel. Welcome to all for joining my channel. Okay, don't just stay here, keep commenting, keep asking me the question until you find that it is understandable. Okay, if it is understandable to you, then stop commenting. Otherwise, keep asking me the question. I will show you the way. Okay, I will show you the road, man. Trust me. This trade will be called as assumption setup. Then, in assumption as well, if I push my button, then why it is stopping out? There are three. There are three. What there are three? The CGF. Usually top step. Oh, okay. So three check-in forms to fill to get the receipt. Okay, so there will be three check-in. We have done just one. That means we have to stay a whole day. Oh man. Go green, become a member. Go green, become a member, and give me the penguin, right? Hey guys, before going, before being the member, push the like button. Push the like button. Brother, take an entry. Take an entry. I'm sorry, brother. I have no opportunity to take entry. Still I have nothing to take entry. Look over here, nothing at all. This candle confirmed. This look at this candle. This candle confirmed the sloppiness. Just this candle. It has confirmed the sloppiness. That means market can be choppy right now. Why it is doing like that way? Because today is Wednesday, we have no news, and in my thinking, I'm just going to face the manipulation today. Yesterday was the accumulation. So this is the accumulation. It's look like accumulation, right? Look at this price action. We actually see this type of price action in Monday. We got the expansion in Monday, huge expansion. Then we got the choppiness, or the accumulation in Monday. Tuesday, we are seeing the manipulation. Look, the manipulation. Let's look at the manipulation. See these lows, all of these lows taken. Then look these buys, okay? These buys, not the huge one, but still these two buys taken. Then market has taken this sell side liquidity again, right? It has taken this sell side liquidity. This is called the manipulation. So I think we are seeing the manipulation today. Can we take and sell over here? No, I can't take a sell over here. If I go to hourly chart, still there is the hourly fair value gap. It has to reach that hourly fair value gap if it would love to go lower. Okay, okay, okay. No offense, but I don't want to give YouTube any reason because they violate our first amendment. When I hit 200k, I will be bringing Tito to the USA if the world is still in a good place. Okay, Kasijep, thank you, man. I'll be there with my happy mind, man. I'll be there. You can fill two forms and fill last one at the night show they have with Dakota. So I have to fill two now and the last one at night. Seriously, then I don't need that free reset. I hate it. I don't need it. If I have to watch until the midnight, I'm not interested. Kissy Jeff, thank you, man. I would love to visit you, man. Not you only, everyone. If you miss one check-in today, you will have one more opportunity to submit your third check-in tonight by tuning into Slow Market at 8 p.m. City sharp, around 8 p.m. I don't want to miss any of them from today. I would love to complete all of them. Any money, okay. So as per your analysis, we will end the week at the high or at low. What do you think? Yeah, I think like that way, brother. Absolutely the same thing. Yeah, at high or at low. That's my thinking. Okay, Jack T, I'm not telling that it's going to happen. So far, I'm seeing the price action that way. I mean, yesterday was absolutely a perfect accumulation day. Today, I'm seeing the manipulation. Tomorrow should be the expansion. That means Thursday expansion, Friday continuation of the expansion. So yeah, that's my thinking right now. Lenny Koskei, hey brother, how are you? Kusing, why isn't that huge week on Tuesday buy side liquidity? On Tuesday? Let me check. Are you talking about here? This one? Because this is just a swing high. I need relatively equal highs. Is there any other highs? No, I don't have any other highs. I have this high very near to that high, but still it's too far. I mean, the distance is too high. Too, you know, it's too far. This is the daily fair value gap. I was thinking that market will come to this daily fair value gap today. That was my thinking. Still now, that is my thinking. Until this last fair value gap from hourly chart is holding the price, I'm thinking that market will come here to that daily fair value gap. Is it coming today? No, it's not coming. Maybe it's not coming today. Maybe it will go there. I will see. Why you are not looking for sell? The reason is market didn't reach to any of this fair value gap, so I am unable to take sell. Still, if I go for the sell, I don't have any liquidity. If I don't have any liquidity, how can I take a sell? Lot of thing over here right now. I mean, for not to trade. Charging stopped. Why charging stopped? Hmm. Oh, my phone is just burning. Friday continuation, even though we had extension on Monday. Today manipulation, two more extension, and Friday reset. No, Friday will continuation of the extension. I mean, man, I'm not telling it is going to happen. I'm just expecting that. Okay. By watching the price action, I'm expecting that. That's all, brother. Obvious liquidity waiting for us. Hey, nice time FX. How are you, brother? Where is the obvious liquidity, brother? Can you tell me? I would love to mark them. Where are you trading from, brother? I'm from Bangladesh, brother. Or say Gideon. I'm from Bangladesh. You are new to my channel, brother. Or say Gideon. Ravi, Friday continuation, even though we had extension on Monday. Okay, I gave you the answer, I guess. Sanjay, should we be concerned about daily fair value gap? Which one you are talking about? Are you talking about here, this one? Absolutely, you have to concerned about that daily fair value gap. If you are talking about this one, there is no other fair value gap from daily chart which is important for me. So over here, I don't see any other fair value gap over here which is important right now. This law is should not be violated. If it is violated, market doesn't need to go higher. It can keep going lower until that last fair value gap. See this last fair value gap from daily chart? It can reach until that last fair value gap. Okay. Somebody please tell me. Can I frame a trade over here? Remember this setup? Look at this setup. This is the same situation. Market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, trade that fair value gap, tried one more, boom. This is the same place. If you get a market structure shift, perfect market structure shift, fair value gap, you will take the entry, you can take that entry. I'm not interested. Why? Because this will be 1 minute last fair value gap setup. I'm not believing that. While I need a bullish fair value gap first. 50-minute bullish fair value gap. Then I will frame my trade, okay? Okay, Miguel Jr. Hey brother, it's almost in a 4 hour fair value gap just below. Do you consider this kind of fair value gap or just daily, just asking to learn more with you? I don't go to 4 hour chart if I get 15-minute or hourly fair value gap. Then I don't go for the 4 hour chart. Okay, brother? My time frame is monthly, weekly, daily, 1 hour, 15-minute, 1 minute. I don't go outside of this time frame. If from 15-minute chart the fair value gap or the liquidity is not clear, in that type of situation I go hourly chart. If hourly chart is also not clear, then I go 4 hour chart. Okay, so some certain situation I actually change my time frame. Ose Gideon, yes, I'm new. Okay, welcome to my channel, Ose. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name, but welcome to my channel. Okay, yeah, thank you Ryan for welcoming him. Guys, just welcome some new people. If the new people join, welcome them. Okay. Thank you, Ben Cruz. Absolutely, thank you, man. Thank you very much for welcoming Osei. Is there a breaker block forming on 1 minute? No, there is no breaker block because for I have just built a video in my YouTube channel about the breaker block. Please watch that video. Please, that's my request. Okay. It will it will clear all of your confusion. Every confusion will be cleared by that video. Please watch that video. That's my request. Muhammad Omar. Jack T, so what do you think the direction will be, up or down, by end of the week? Today DXY is still yesterday's range. And if you just go to your daily chart, just come over here, daily chart, right? Let me and just look. What is it look like? Market left lot of buy side liquidity here, right? Lot of buy side liquidity over here. There was lot of sell side liquidity here. Lot of sell side liquidity was here. What market has done? It has taken the sell side liquidity. Now look this low. This is just a single low, single low, single low, single low, right? Not this type of relatively equal lows. Just look at this relatively equal lows around that area. This you can mark a zone, support zone here. Can you mark a support zone here? No, you can't. You can't. Here you can't. Can you mark a resistance zone here? Absolutely you can. What you are seeing, market is just falling, 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 falling. It came here, then made this parallel gap. Today try to trade that parallel gap, then it is going lower. What should be your expectation? Should keep going lower? I don't think so. It should keep going lower. Why it will go lower? There's no liquidity. Why it should keep going lower? It should keep going higher. Now this is my expectation again. Okay, I'm expecting market should go higher. It should not go lower. It has nothing to do here. What it can do, it can go little lower, make some kind of sell side liquidity for later use. It can do that, but it doesn't need to go and take more liquidity. It has already taken the liquidity. See all of this liquidity? Then why price came this far? Let me check. Today it has broken the min threshold. See this is the min threshold of that order block. It has broken the min threshold today. Still, this candle didn't close yet, right? If this candle can close above that red line, still this order block is valid. So I would love to see market will go higher, and it will close as a bullish candle today. If you go to hourly chart, why it came so far? This is the last parallel gap from hourly chart. Look over here. Below all of this sell side, look at this sell side liquidity over here. All of this sell side liquidity. Below all of this sell side liquidity, I have this last parallel gap. Where did price came to that last parallel gap? Trading inside this last parallel gap. Then where should it go? Toward that buy side liquidity. I have a lot of buy side liquidity over there. It should go toward that. Can it go lower? Absolutely it can. If it really would love to go lower, it can absolutely go lower, but I am not expecting that. All I'm expecting, market should go higher. Now look at this small price action. Is it clean? After Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, just look at this price action. Is it clean? No. Still maybe we'll try to find some setup if we get okay around 9:42. Leonardo Miguel, he took a sell setup. There was a perfect sell setup. Okay, I wasn't here, but if you look that sell setup, that was a perfect sell setup. You had relatively equal lows. You had 15 minute parallel gap here. Okay, this is from hourly chart actually. So if you come 15-minute chart, this is that 15-minute last parallel gap. It came to that 15-minute last parallel gap at the same time 1 minute last parallel gap. If you go to your 1 minute chart here, perfect market structure sheet, first parallel gap or entry parallel gap, breakaway gap. You will take your entry here, cover the breakaway gap. Where should be your target? You don't need to target here. This extreme low, you don't need to target here. You just target that that area, this sells a liquidity. Just target that one. You're done. So far that was a perfect setup. I wasn't here to be honest. After that, I have no opportunity until now, no opportunity to take buy or sell. Why you are not taking sell here, brother? It is keep going lower. The reason is market didn't reach level where I actually look for setup. It didn't reach over there. I'm not interested to take sell. Simple, simple thing, brother. Now you can say, brother, it fall right over there. Now maybe you saw this is the market structure shift, this is the fair value gap. Maybe you took that the entry over here to that fair value gap, and I'm talking here, that fair value gap. Your maybe you cover stop loss over there. 45 handle stop loss. I'm unable to put the stop loss over there. I'm really unable to do that, brother. In my 150k account, I'm unable to put that 45 account because I'm trading e-mini, not micro. So I didn't say anything. I didn't do anything. I will just wait. Okay. Thank you guys for giving me the penguin. What happened? Below hourly last fair value gap, there are 15-minute entry fair value gap and last fair value gap. Now I am not interested to go to 15 minutes yet. I will just see the price right now because just half an hour left for the lunch hour. So I will come here in 15 minutes yet and I will see if market can reach to that 15-minute fair value gap now. Then I will try to frame another sell setup here. If it can reach over here, then or maybe it will make another fair value gap here. The best is it will come here. This is the best. If it can reach over there, then I will try to frame another sell setup. Otherwise I'm not interested. Take sell from there. All I need, high time frame fair value gap. That's all I need. Look at this hourly, just candle. It's just falling, falling, falling. When the last fair value gap is broken from hourly chart, mark this order block level. This and that. It can reach any of this level now. Before, I mean, before taking a pause, all I need to see market will reach to that fair value gap before falling again. That's all I need. If it reach over there, I will be in 1 minute chart. I will wait for a sell setup. If I get the sell setup, I'll go for sell. Otherwise, I'm not interested. Why you are talking about sell now? Because market has already broken the last fair value gap from hourly chart. It's not broken yet, but yeah, I'm believing that it is going to be broken. Amma, কি হয়েছে? হ্যাঁ? It's going to soon, I think. Okay, so if you check when old 1 hour fair lookup has to be filled imbalanced, can be Sijo. I am not interested to do that right now. I'm really so tired. I was outside whole day today. uh, Now my, you know, my backside is paining. I'm sorry guys because I was unable to frame a trade today. I'm extremely sorry for that. You can say, brother, if you look for a sell, you could take a sell maybe, but as a hindsight, it is very easy to mark that one. Okay, so if you look from here, okay, I'm not telling this entry, I mean this entry. Okay, that was a perfect entry. I agree with you, absolutely the best, the only entry so far. This was that entry. When I was here, I was waiting for this to fair value gap. It has built the fair value gap. Look, this candle, if it could reach over there, what did I get? Market has taken the buy side liquidity, right? This high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. If it could reach over there, it has taken the buy side liquidity. Then if it could give me a market structure shift, fair value gap, I would take an entry over there, maybe until here or something like that. It didn't give me that opportunity. So where will you take your entry, your sell entry? Just show me the way. I don't know how to trade the turtle soup. So I'm sorry guys, if anyone was thinking about the turtle soup, maybe you guys saw a turtle soup entry over there or something. Yep, maybe. But yeah, I don't trade turtle soup. In my opinion, there was no setup. It was just falling. I have to watch the price. Though I told you that market can reach higher, market can go higher. This setup, it's not even a setup. That's just my experience. It's not even a setup. The brother, one of my brother, he took that entry. He was profitable. Perfectly cool, man. All you need to care is to be the profitable trader. Here, this one, when I use this tool, what did I say? Remember, guys, if I tell you wrong, tell me, brother, you are lying. What did I say? Brother, I'm not even interested to take that entry because it is huge stop loss. Market can't be 100% certain. So it's a huge stop loss. I'm not even agree to push my button. What did I say here? I saw there is just 10 handle stop loss, maybe something like that, or something. No, not that one. Sorry, 10 handle stop loss was over here to that order block. I told, yeah, sometimes I took this type of entry if it is if I see it is formed from the 15-minute fair value gap. I took this type of entry. I do that. Then what did I say you here? I told you here in my life how many times I have seen this happen. It worked perfectly. When I pushed my button, it doesn't work, right? Did I tell you that no, I'm not interested to take that entry? This is not a good entry. This is not a bad entry. This is a bad entry. No, I didn't say anything like that. All I told you, I saw in my life most of the time it worked perfectly. When I pushed my button, it doesn't work. That's all I told you. So that doesn't work for me. Maybe it will work for you. But yeah, so far I didn't see any entry, okay? Nothing. And yeah, sometimes sometimes it happens, brother. Okay, I'm extremely sorry for that. I was unable to outline any trade for today. Maybe at the PM session I'll be able to get another entry, but as I told you, I'm not gonna take any entry outside of the streaming. If I take an entry, it will be inside the stream. Otherwise, I'm not gonna push my button. Like yesterday, remember? Yesterday I outlined this entry in my Twitter. If you remember or not, if you believe me or not, I told that I first just go to my Twitter and check it. I told that now I'm looking for a sell, okay? And then when market was here, just here, I told I was talking about this setup. So I'll just mark this one as my market structure shift. Just this one, okay? This is the market structure shift. This is the fair value gap over there, here. Some of you told me that this is a very small fair. I don't care. With all the context, it's the fair value gap. It's the setup. It's the perfect setup. You have to take this entry. Here, in stop loss, just put above there. Why? Because 16 handle. Where was my target? Nobody asked me that. Why you put your target over there? See this low and that low. There were relatively equal lows. That was my target. It worked. It went little higher. I agree with you. It went little higher. Then it fall. Dramatically it fall. Take my target. I didn't push my button over there. Why? Because this is just after the Fairchild Powell speak. Brother, Fairchild Powell talk around 1, right? Around 1 maybe. Yeah, here. This setup happened around 3. Why you weren't afraid of that? Because of Fairchild Powell. He missed everything. I'm not sure that it's going to work because after Fairchild Powell. That was my expectation. It worked perfectly. I did nothing. I was just seeing, I was feeling, oh man, I'm right, I'm right. That's cool. That's all. I was not feeling bad why I didn't. Look, I'm not trading this week to my real account, right? In Monday, wasn't that setup so good yesterday? Wasn't that so good? That one, okay, just leave this down. Last 2 days, wasn't that so both setup was so good? Still, I didn't push my button. What did I miss? Nothing. I don't need to take risk in here. Every day is not for trading. You have to understand that, brother. What part of the world you are from? Jakti, Bangladesh. Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh. Agree, but today a pure trend down or selling day, finding a proper entry is all we need. Absolutely. I didn't see anything until now. After this setup, after this setup, there was no setup for me. Nothing until now. After effect, it's very easy to tell that okay, market come until here. But when market was here, nobody could tell me that market is going to fall. Nobody could tell me that because look at these candles, how beautifully it reacted from the last line of the hourly parallel gap. Then it started to go higher. Who could tell me that this last parallel gap will hold the price and send it back until here? Nobody could tell it. Can you tell me? This is the last parallel gap. Market will maybe reach to that entry parallel gap or last parallel gap, then it will fall again. Can you tell me? Can anybody tell me? Yeah, you can guess. Maybe it will fall. Then you can gamble. No problem. You can gamble. But I'm not interested of that. Okay. Sujit, there is a 15-minute bullish parabolic from 21 February. Can be, brother, but just look at the time right now. 11:42. I have just 18 minutes left, right? 18 minutes left before the lunch hour. Should I take risk here? What do you think? Should I take risk here? You're waiting the hourly close to remove this hourly parabolic. Yep, absolutely. But it has to happen from hourly chart. So from hourly chart, it's not broken yet. Look, this candle didn't close yet. Even this candle can close below the last parabolic. The very next candle close inside the last parabolic. I will see this as a fake breakout. So I'm not going to remove this hourly parabolic from my chart right now. Okay. We touch now bullish 15-minute parabolic from 21st February. Okay, let's see if it can reach higher or not. Where are you from, bro? I'm from Bangladesh, bro. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine. Seek for wisdom. Wisdom, how are you, brother? Good evening. This week, where did you black line from? I got daily low from 21st February too. This fair lookup is the order block from hourly chart. Hourly order block. Okay. So yeah, the hourly fair lookup. Leonardo Miguel. Nah. What nah? I changed from sunrise. You changed from sunrise. Didn't understand. We will see you here on PM session, Big Boss. No, I won't be here, Miguel. I won't be here. I'm sorry, but PM session I won't be here. Hello, brother. Seek for wisdom. Hey, Ryan. Thanks for. Is there anyone who just subscribed today in my channel? I mean, I can see a lot of people actually subscribe today. At least 17, 17, 20, 19 people, right? 19 people subscribe today. If anyone is here who is new, I mean, just subscribed today, let me know. If anyone just subscribe today, just let me know, okay? Oh, you are sunrise. Seek for wisdom. You are sunrise. Oh, okay, okay. That means you are my sister, not brother. Yeah, I got you. Peter Hand, you are everywhere. Oh man, Peter, you are everywhere, right? See, guys, don't forget to give me some likes, okay? Just make it 150 likes. I can see it's 149 likes, so make it 150 likes. Okay, guys, I just need to drink some water. I'm just coming back, okay, within 2 minutes because we are very near to close my session, morning session. We will just see, okay? So for I have nothing to do right now today, and at the beginning, remember that guy Harman. Always be careful about this type of people. ভাত খাওয়া হয়ে গেছে? না আমি পর ভাত তুলে রাখো না। ভাত তুলে রাখছো? পরে খাবো। 10 মিনিট পরে 10 মিনিট পরে খাবো। আর লাগবে না। থাকবে না মা। থাক সমস্যা নাই, আমি বেরোবো না তো। Hmm. Okay, guys, just give me 2 minutes. Okay, I'm just coming back. Ryan Chris, Alan Fernandez. Oh, brother, thank you for reminding me that. The thing is, brother, I didn't take any entry. Actually, I have tweeted that market should take that level. Okay, it should take that low before taking those highs. So market actually took that lows. That's why I tweeted that 792 tagged and backed over here overnight. I didn't take any entry. Okay, it was outside of the session. I didn't take that entry, but it has taken that. That was my expectation. It happened already over there. And then I went outside. There was a setup from the London session here. That was a setup, not perfect, but there was a 50-minute parallel gap around that area. Market actually, oh, sorry, here, this one. This is the first parallel gap entry. That was the first parallel gap entry. I wasn't interested to take that entry when I saw it after effect. I saw it work perfectly, but if I were in the market, I wouldn't take that entry. Not even this one. So this one was looking so beautiful, but I wasn't looking for. I wouldn't take that entry. Instead of that, I would look for a breaker block around that area. Market didn't make the breaker block as well, so I would do nothing over here. I would do nothing over here. So that this London session would go away. So I didn't take any entry. Okay. Don't trade forex, bro. Who is for trading? What should initial minimum balance for trading in forex? What can be? I have no idea, brother. Because I don't trade forex. Forex is highly manipulated market right now. It failed to make a fair. Not valid. Not okay. No fair. Not valid. If no fair, nothing to do. I don't trade forex, brother. Okay. Mohammed Omar, are you trading PM session? No, I'm not trading PM session. I'm gonna hit the gym. See you tomorrow. See you, Miguel. I don't say log on to YouTube or any social platform. I sign in so I can say what's up and click the like button and then sign out. Okay, seek for wisdom. Actually, I come around 9 a.m. but sometimes I'm little late. I don't know if you are not in social media. How can I inform you? I have no idea, sister. Either you have to sign in to YouTube, then you have to push the notification button or the bell button. Then you will get a notification whenever I will come live or if I upload any video. Otherwise, you have to connect with me in my Twitter. So any of this thing you have to have. No, otherwise, I have no idea how can I reach to you. Turtle soup, the law almost looks like a SMT is forming between the three indices. Okay, so you are thinking about turtle soup. I don't trade turtle soup, brother. So I'm a noob about that. I started with support and resistance trend lines, supply and demand, and finally I stayed with ICT. Is ICT good, Ryan? Peter Henry, WW3 markets today. Not better price action. When you should act and when you should let the market go, you have to learn this. If you know that, you are already 90%. I mean, you are done. 90% has done already. Just 10% for being profitable. All you have to know when you should act and when you should not act. That's all you have to learn. Okay, to make the market volatile so we can trade. Wait until PM session. Around the PM session, you will get some volatile, I guess. Have you watched all the ICT video on his channel? Mm, if you tell me about watching his video, yeah, I have watched all of his videos. But if you ask me, did I study all of them? No, I didn't study all of them. I studied few of them. For example, water block, mitigation block, propulsion block, rejection block, then breaker block. I told inversion fair value gap, then 22 model, silver bullet. I have studied all of these. Not all of them, like optimal trade entry, market maker X model. I didn't study them. Optimal trade entry actually is a myth. I'm not agree with optimal trade entry actually. Send him an SMS when you live, bro. Okay, Peter. The first thing is she has no social media where I will send her a SMS or message. Is whether to I stayed with ICT concepts. I removed all other strategies which is not working for me. The best decision you have ever taken. Like me, I have also did the same thing. I have also done the same thing. Titu, you have mastered all news and price actions. Now it's time for you to conquer Fairchair Powell. Fairchair Powell, I'm a noob. Fairchair Powell, this guy keep beating me, keep hitting me. Okay, it hits me all the way from top to bottom. Fairchair Powell, I am really afraid of. Trust me, man. I'm trading CPI, FOMC, not exact news time. Before the news, after the news. Maybe the CPI is 8:30. I'm able to trade 8:29. I'm able to trade 8:31. Okay, the exact run I don't gamble over there because that is pure gambling. I don't gamble to that run. But before run, after run, I can trade FOMC 2 p.m. 2:30 p.m. I can trade them. Then PMI, PPI, that's also easy to trade, very easy to trade. But Fairchair Powell, oh man, this guy keep destroying me. I cannot sit through all those videos to the point video like Kitu is better. I'm better. Thank you. Seek for wisdom, sister. Thank you for that. Strings, do you use a fixed entry model? I have a lot of entry model, but I have already showed you the A++ setup. Okay, you guys asked for the A++ setup. I have already showed it to you. If you go to my YouTube channel, you will get that A++ setup. Okay, so you can use that on that fixed model or whatever. But I have a lot of entry model like first fair value gap, it worked. Then last fair value gap, it worked. Inversion fair value gap, breaker block. That's my favorite. Breaker block is my favorite. The best one. Okay. Okay. Seek for wisdom. Titu is a very handsome guy. Okay, Peter, you are also very handsome, man. Why you are hiding yourself? You are also very handsome. I know you have a wife, but Pitcher Powell ready to take everyone's pound. I agree with you, Ravi. I agree with you. Pitcher Powell always he's ready to take everyone's money. Bookmap was showing huge liquidity at 17,675, 17,675, 675 here. Okay, even I'm also bearish. All I would love to see market will reach here first to that 50-minute fair value gap. Let me go to the 50-minute chart one more time. Okay, it has made another. Okay, it didn't make the fair value gap, but if it can make another fair value gap over here, any of this fair value gap can be used for sell setup. After 1 minute, it will be the fair value gap. Okay, it has to reach any of this fair value gap. The best is to reach over here. This is the best, but I will start to look for a sell from here. But if it is around the lunch hour, I'm not gonna push the button. But yeah, but I will see if it works or not. Any of this fair value gap, it has to reach any of those fair value gap, then it has to fall. Otherwise, I'm not interested to excel. How long have you been trading, brother? Near about 7 years, brother. Peter Henry, are you Singaporean? No, he's from Australia. Australian, yeah, he's Aussie. I'm Australian, yeah. I'm traveling to Malaysia and Indonesia and China in 2 weeks' time. And Japan. Peter, you are in Japan, right? That's right. You left Tokyo and returned to Aussie. My bad. Lol, wife gets jealous. Peter's wife doesn't know, okay? Doesn't know that what Peter is doing here. She doesn't know that. There is wife. This is 12 candle, so it has these two fair value gap. I'm not interested to take sell if market fail to reach any of this fair value gap. has to reach any of this favorable gap first. Before, if even if it would love to go lower, it has to reach any of this favorable gap first. And before taking this sell side liquidity, it has to reach any of this favorable gap. Then only then I will start to look for a sell setup. Otherwise, I'm not interested. But these two favorable gap are 1 minute. Usually, you frame your trade from 50. Absolutely, this is from 15-minute chart, brother, not from 1 minute chart. Just go to your 15-minute chart and look for the 15-minute favorable gap. This candle high, that candle low. This candle high, that candle low. This is 15-minute favorable gap, not from 1 minute chart. Okay, absolutely, they're from 15-minute chart. Japan was nice. I ate raw horse. Really? Do you have a mentorship? I don't have. Everything is in here in YouTube for free. And I will never do the mentorship. No paid teaching. Never ever. Maybe I will do that if I ever get married. If I will have some boys or girls. Then I will do the private mentorship. I will ask money from them, but not from anyone else outside of my family. Can you cover 1 hour? What do you mean by cover 1 hour? That is delicious, the horse, Peter Henry. I never eat horse. How long have you been trading ICT concepts? From 2019. From 2019, I am trading ICT concepts. And overall, my age is 7 years. I started trading from 2017. I was a retail trader, a perfect retail trader. If it has taken this sell side liquidity, I'm not looking for any sell setup. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Stock magician. How long you have been? Okay, I give you the Big Zod Ruzikulib. 7 years, bro. Okay, thank you. But are you new to my channel, brother? Big Zod, Big Zod. Are you new to my channel, brother? Still, it's valid. Shaloran. Still, it's valid. Okay. The obvious liquidity. Remember, the obvious liquidity. It's still valid. When Cruj, click join next to the subscription button to donate or super chat. Thank you, Ben Cruz. Yeah, guys, donate or super chat. Kevin, aren't you doing a psychology challenge? When does that start? I'm not doing that right now. I will start that. Just let me be free first, okay? I am extremely busy right now. No more sell setup for me. I'm done. Market is not giving me any opportunity to take sell. I'm not interested to take sell. That's cool. If it could reach over there, I would look for a sell setup. It didn't. I'm not interested. Over here, it failed to reach over there. I'm done. Here, the same thing. And this is how I trading. The real trading is like this. If market is not precise, if it is not giving you the setup, you should not take entry. You should not force your entry. This is the part of the psychology. Are you a psychologically you are strong or not? You will understand when you are in this type of situation. You are seeing that market is falling. Every time market is falling, but it's not giving you the setup. What will you do? Are you gonna push your button over there? If you do that, you are gambling. In a longer term, you are going to be the loser. Write it down, the blank pages, empty pages. You will never be the profitable trader. I don't care how much you will earn by that 1 second. At the end of the day, you will be the loser. I challenge you, okay? If anyone is here who would love to accept my challenge, I'm happy to show you that you will be the loser, because this is the part of the game. This is the main part. This is the brake, okay? In a car, brake is the most important part. The psychology is the brake of that trading. See, it didn't reach to that 50-minute parallel gap, it started to fall. Oh man, I missed all of this. What what you are going to miss? Nothing. Nothing. You are not going to lose anything. This was the border block upper line. I'm gonna remove it, and this last travel cap I'm going to remove it from my chart as well. That's all. Not that new actually. I have been here for a whole week, I believe. Oh man, I didn't see your name. By the way, welcome to my channel, brother. How do you feel? I mean, what do you think about me? Am I good? Am I good? Or am I just bullshit? Let me know that, okay? Big Jot, Big Jot, okay? I'm enjoying my delicious dinner in the sunshine and watching, yeah. Then you shouldn't tell that. You shouldn't tell that, crypto, because I'm a hungry guy now. I need to eat something. Just, just send some food to me. High time frame points of interest. Cover. I mean, what is your question actually? In Portugal, we eat snails. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. I saw that. Well, China has some strange foods. That crypto is from China as well. So she knows better. How fearless of you to eat horse. What animal won't you eat? Peter, what animal really you don't eat? Just tell me. Tell us, okay? Like soup. Yes, so does many countries. When did you become profitable in trading? From 2022. Lamar. Okay, Lamar. I'm profitable from 2022. End of 2020, not from the beginning. I mean, it started to work with me, this whole concept. But please don't compare me with yourself. You will be profitable thousand times before me, okay? Because I learned it by myself. You have lot of options. Yep. So for this session was hilarious. Mhm. Though market fall nicely, beautifully, I had nothing to do. No entry, nothing to do. Brother, it trade that last travel gap. Why you didn't take that entry? It trade that last travel gap. Why didn't you take that entry? And yeah, that entry was valid. I agree. But except that one, why didn't you take entry? The reason, see this travel gap there from 15 minutes. It didn't reach over there. I had no opportunity to take entry. Simple. So I didn't do anything. And around the lunch hour, I have no option to take any more entries. So yeah, looks like it's going for the next week down. Let's see, sick. We will see. 8 days is great first. My longest was 10 days. My longest was 30 days. 30, yeah, 30 days. That was great, brother. Henry. Okay. So do you indeed? My longest was 21 days. Oh man, 1 days. Use. Oh, by the way, guys, I actually forgot to show you something about this run. Oh, it's hindsight. I know it's hindsight. Look, the first travel look from 15 minute chart. This is the highest high, right? Longest high. Failed to take that longest high. I know it's hindsight. At the same time, this high has taken all of this liquidity. All of this liquidity has taken out already, right? What is that? is that? What is that? One candle, close the first parallel gap. So you will wait until it retraces that first parallel gap. Press step to the first parallel gap. Where should be your target? You don't have any anti parallel gap, so you will target the last parallel gap over there. In this type of situation, from 15-minute chart, you will go to your 1-minute chart. You will come here. This first parallel gap is going to work or is going to give you the setup from 1-minute chart. You will take that on. Wire price trade, first parallel gap, market structure shift, parallel gap, trade, boom. Until this area, you know that market is coming here from 15-minute chart. You can take a partial around that area. You can hold the other one until that entry parallel gap over there. You don't need to see that this parallel gap trade that one or not. All you need to see this high, did it trade the last parallel gap or the entry parallel gap from here. So you can see this high has traded that last parallel gap. This high doesn't need to trade any of this parallel gap. All it has to do, it can take the high, but it has to take all the swing highs. Did it do it? Absolutely. First parallel gap closed below this first parallel gap, retested that first parallel gap, boom. And it's hindsight, but still. Lamar, welcome to winner. Thank you, man. Congratulations. The whole comment box is now yours. And don't forget to send me some penguin, man. Please. 1 minute MSS. I traveling to Hungarian in 2 weeks. Okay. So far you are legit to me. So to which I am grateful for you. Thank you, Big Jot, for that compliment, man. Thank you for being a new member. Thank you, Ryan, for welcoming him. It's not inversion parallel gap strings. I showed you the inversion parallel gap. I will show you, okay, in live price, not hindsight. It's not the inversion parallel gap. Inversion parallel gap is something different. For being the inversion parallel gap, there is some other requirement over there. Is that swing high is valid? Absolutely, it's valid. Are you going to take the entry? No, I'm not going to take that entry. Why? First of all, I don't know it is retracing from 50-minute entry parallel gap or last parallel gap or not. If it is retracing from the entry parallel gap or first parallel gap from 15-minute chart or hourly chart, it's cool. But still, it is inside the lunch hour. No entry is valid when market is inside the lunch hour. Again, there is no immediate reaction. If it is not, there is no immediate reaction, I'm not gonna take that entry as well. Okay, so simply that's the thing. Crypto. Okay, okay, 190 US dollar today, lol. Yo, what did it, brother? What a market is this? This was a huge market, brother. Congratulations, brother. Diosul, yeah, okay. So Diosul actually got 190 US dollar. Congratulations, brother. Gangaputru 1 minute MSS, I explained that, okay? Price bounce from the C of the 50-minute fabric. Okay, that's cool. Then I have a higher time frame over here. I have this market structure shift. That's cool. All I want to see, market has to trade this fabric gap within 3 candles. So 1, 2, 3. This candle has to trade that fabric gap. If it failed to trade that fabric gap, no entry is valid because I'm not going to get any immediate reaction. Peter, again, look, Peter, if you are here, this candle, see around 12:11, this candle has made this parallel gap. So you will start to count your candle from 11, 12, sorry, 12, 12, 12, 12, first candle, 12, 13, second candle, 12, 14, third candle. Okay, brother, that's all. Okay, guys, I think it's done for today, and everything is messy for me. I didn't get any setup. I'm not interested to anything. And right now, if market come here, I'm not looking for any sell setup because I don't have the liquidity. at least not near to me. I don't have any liquidity, so I'm not interested to take sell. I'm not interested to take buy. Yeah, I will take buy if I see from 15 minute chart it has made a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. I'm not interested to look for a buy from here, even it is retracing from the constant encroachment of the 15-minute last fair value gap maybe, or the entry fair value gap, I don't know. Even if it is retracing from that 15-minute last fair value gap or entry fair value gap, all I need to see another 15-minute bullish fair value gap before framing my bull setup. Otherwise, no entry is valid. Guys, this is forbidden. You can't ignore those, okay? Please don't ignore those, okay? Are you looking for sell or buy? Right now, I'm nothing. I am just waiting for nothing. This is the lunch hour. I will finish it. Then, if I see anything cool, I will just tweet to my Twitter, okay? In my Twitter, if you are with me in my Twitter, when I'm not in live, I keep posting here. So if you see yesterday, I keep posting those entries. Okay, don't think this is hindsight. I showed that beforehand. So this is the same entry over here. That was the same entry here. I talked about this entry when market was over here. A nice lower MSS and immediate reaction just for watching the price sitting on a big breeze. I was on a breeze. I mean, I was outside on a breeze around the midnight over here with my uncle. Okay, we were just gossiping over there. I was talking about this entry, and that was my target. Then I told that was talking about this. So this was that entry. Then fine, and that was the reaction from the constant encroachment of that 15-minute line. So that is the last fair value gap. I already talked about this. Then it worked perfectly. What did I say? Boom. Can I trade this in this type of situation? I mean, it was out after the Powell speak. Okay, after the Fed chair Powell speak. I told that of course I can. Did I trade? Of course I didn't. Then what is the benefit? I learned. I just learned from there. Okay. So sometimes if you don't push your button, you are learning. Don't think it's wasting. You are learning. So over here there was another setup. I told that mark the setup first from 15 minute and then 1 minute and give me the screenshot please. I got maybe 9-10 screenshot from different of you. I mean, some of you actually send me the screenshot of that setup. I'm really grateful to all of you guys because I believe that you guys are learning. So yeah, if you are not with me in my Twitter, you can join me in my Twitter if you want. When I'm not live over here, I'll be live in Twitter. Okay. Yeah. Thanks Tito Ryan, Peter. Happy trading everyone. All the best. Thank you, Sik, for wisdom. Thank you, sister. Bro, do you will need to wait order block if it was 3 candle to get fair value gap? No, I don't need order block. I mean, why I not need that order? Order block is totally different. There is no relation with the 3 candle or immediate reaction. Next, liquidity 17606 from the daily can be, but it is hugely. I mean, it is very heavy. Market is not taking the buy side liquidity. It is keep falling. Without taking the buy side liquidity, it's falling. I don't want to take entry in this type of situation. I first need to see that market has taken some buy side liquidity, and if market would love to take some buy side liquidity, it has to reach any of this 15-minute fair value gap. It didn't reach over there. I have no trade. So today I'm gonna just sacrifice maybe. Tomorrow I will come back and I will try to trade again. See you tomorrow, sick. Yeah, see you tomorrow, sick. Okay. Averaging losses is a psychology issue. One needs to identify the emotional triggers that cause one to average losers. Just my opinion. What was the question, Alan? Who asked that question? Alexander. I think Alexander asked something. Where is Alexander? I don't know where is Alexander. So you guys are actually. What I do to minimize losses is, I guess I missed Alexander's comment. Okay, thank you. Have a good day, sir. Most welcome, and have a good day to you, Bigzot, and really welcome to my channel, Crypto. Teamed, have a good evening to you. Teamed, you are here, man. Teamed, I didn't see your message, man. I was thinking, where is Teamed? I didn't see any of his messages. By the way, if you are here, okay, just let me know that you are here. I mean, some of you I know already your name because you keep commenting. So if you could just come and join, just write down hi, hello, anything, so that I'll be able to know that you are here already. Push your like button. Yeah, please push the like button. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Craig. Thank you, brother. 205 is watching, and oh, okay, Alexander. How can I stop averaging in my losses? I keep adding a lot of micros when trade goes against me to revenge. You have to be strict with one or two and two contract only. Micro or mini, I don't care, but you have to stick with that. If you ever put more than two contract, that means you are in a great danger. Over leveraging will lead you to blow your account. That means if you over leveraging, that means you are greedy. Okay, I was greedy when I was trading this market first. I was greedy. If I, how When I stopped to be greedy, I started to gain profit. Until I give up that bad habit, I wasn't be profitable. I wasn't profitable. Okay. I was here lol quite today. Yeah, you are quite man. That's why I'm telling you that just steal something, okay? Like here you see Peter is the one, Peter Ryan, they're all over the comment box. I need some I need you as well. Peter didn't talk about the drama today. I'm happy because he didn't use that word, drama word. I had a job interview, but had you on the in the background. Lol. Okay, man, be serious about that. Okay, life is first, then trading. Okay, guys, I think it's done for today. A very bad day for me, though it was a very nice downward move, but I was unable to claim any trade because I know nothing about the price action. Okay, so I'm sorry for that. If anyone took the entry and get profitable, congratulations. If you missed for me, then I'm sorry. But for me, I did I see nothing over here. Steven, thank you, brother. No problem, Steve. I also was always the babysitting and watching this flash all day. So you are here. I know that because we already talked to each other. PM session, no crypto. I have to go outside. So PM session, no PM. Peter, block me, please, Ryan. Please, Ryan, please block Peter. He didn't use the drama word, so please block him. Okay, guys. One request is if you see that Top Step has given the second check-in for the free reset, please let me know to my Twitter. Just give me a message, okay, to my Twitter. That will be grateful. I'll be grateful if you do that. So yeah, that's all for today. And if anyone is new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like it. Okay, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you didn't give me the like, please push the like button. That's all I need from you. Okay, just the like button. No money, nothing. Just your time and the like. So please don't forget. Okay. Uh, okay. So yeah. Until the next day. See you guys.